Few sights are as cheerful as a field of sunflowers, their golden heads capturing the spirit of summer. More than just beautiful, sunflowers symbolize warmth, happiness, and the sun's life-giving power. What truly sets them apart is their unique behavior, a daily dance that follows the sun across the sky. This isn't magic, but a survival strategy perfected over millions of years. Each sunflower's large face is actually made up of hundreds of tiny flowers, all working together to maximize reproduction. At dawn, young sunflowers turn east, awaiting the first light, then slowly track the sun's arc until sunset. This synchronized movement gives the impression of a living, conscious congregation. Their daily turn is a silent story of energy, growth, and the enduring rhythm of our planet. Sunflowers, in their elegant way, show us how all life is powered by the sun. The sunflower's sun-tracking movement is called heliotropism, literally, turning toward the sun. This remarkable behavior is one of nature's most fascinating adaptations, allowing sunflowers to follow the sun's journey across the sky from dawn until dusk. The word heliotropism comes from the Greek words for sun and turn, perfectly describing this daily ritual. While many plants lean toward light, sunflowers perform this on a grand daily scale. Their entire heads and stems move in unison, creating a mesmerizing display as fields of sunflowers seem to sway and turn together, always facing the brightest part of the sky. It's not a conscious act, but an automatic response driven by the plant's internal clock and sunlight. This internal clock, known as a circadian rhythm, helps sunflowers anticipate the sun's movement, so they're always ready to greet the morning light and follow it throughout the day. Young sunflowers need as much energy as possible for rapid growth, so tracking the sun gives them a crucial advantage. By maximizing their exposure to sunlight, they can photosynthesize more efficiently, which is vital during their early stages of development. By following the sun, they capture more light, fueling stronger stems and larger leaves. This extra energy not only helps them grow taller and healthier, but also prepares them to support the heavy flower heads that will eventually bloom. The mechanics are simple. The shaded side of the stem grows faster, causing the flower to bend toward the light. This growth difference is triggered by plant hormones called auxins, which accumulate on the shaded side and stimulate cell elongation, gently nudging the sunflower to face the sun. As the sun moves, the plant continually adjusts, maximizing exposure. This constant adjustment ensures that the sunflower is always in the best position to absorb sunlight, no matter the time of day. This subtle, continuous process is a beautiful example of plant adaptation. It's almost like a slow-motion dance, with each sunflower responding to the environment in real time, guided by invisible cues. In crowded fields, this strategy helps sunflowers outcompete neighbors for sunlight. By always facing the sun, they can avoid being shaded by taller plants and ensure they get the energy they need to thrive. Heliotropism is a clever, effective way to thrive in a world where every ray of light counts. It's a survival strategy that has evolved over millions of years, helping sunflowers flourish in diverse environments. The sunflower's daily dance is a marvel of natural engineering. Watching an entire field move in harmony with the sun is a reminder of the intricate connections between living things and their environment. It's a living demonstration of how even simple organisms can perform complex, purposeful actions, showing us that intelligence in nature comes in many forms, often hidden in plain sight. Each day, young sunflowers begin by facing east, ready for the sunrise. As the first light breaks over the horizon, these vibrant flowers stand poised, almost as if they're anticipating the warmth and energy that the new day will bring. As sunlight spills across the field, they greet it, maximizing their energy intake from the very first rays. This early orientation is crucial, allowing them to absorb as much light as possible, fueling their growth and setting the pace for the hours ahead. Throughout the day, the flower heads slowly track the sun's journey, moving from east to west. This remarkable movement, known as heliotropism, is driven by the plant's internal mechanisms, responding to the sun's changing position in the sky. This movement is almost imperceptible moment to moment, but over hours, the transformation is clear. If you watch closely, you'll notice the entire field gradually shifting, as if choreographed by nature itself. By late afternoon, the sunflowers face west, soaking up the last light of the day. The golden hour bathes the field in a warm glow, and the flowers make the most of every remaining ray before the sun dips below the horizon. As night falls, their work isn't done. they begin to turn back east, guided by their internal clock. Even in the dim light, the flowers are preparing for the next day, resetting their position in anticipation of dawn. This nocturnal reset prepares them for the next sunrise, ensuring they're always ready to capture the day's energy. It's a silent, unseen process, but it's vital for their survival and continued growth. The cycle repeats, fueling their rapid growth. Day after day, this rhythm powers the transformation from small buds to towering blooms, each one reaching higher toward the sky. This daily rhythm is the secret to their success. It's a finely tuned dance, shared by every sunflower in the field, and it's what allows them to thrive together. The sunflower's journey from dawn to dusk is a testament to nature's precision. Every movement, every turn, is a result of millions of years of evolution, perfectly adapted to follow the sun. It's a tireless dance, perfectly tuned to the sun's path, a beautiful reminder of the harmony and intelligence found in the natural world. The sunflower's daily dance is all about photosynthesis, using sunlight to make food. By tracking the sun, young sunflowers maximize the light their leaves absorb, boosting growth. Studies show sun-following sunflowers grow larger and stronger than those that don't move. This extra energy helps them build sturdy stems and broad leaves, outcompeting neighbors for sunlight. Sun tracking also warms the plant, speeding up photosynthesis, especially on cool mornings. The warmth gives them a head start each day, like an athlete warming up before a race. All this energy is invested in producing their massive flower heads and seeds. The sunflower's journey is one of preparation, gathering resources for the next generation. Their daily ritual is a story of growth, provision, and survival. How do sunflowers know when to move? It almost seems magical, watching a field of sunflowers turn their faces to follow the sun as it arcs across the sky. But behind this graceful movement lies a fascinating scientific story. The answer lies in their circadian rhythm, a built-in biological clock that ticks away inside every sunflower. This internal clock is similar to the one that helps humans wake up in the morning and feel sleepy at night. But in sunflowers, it controls something even more remarkable: their ability to move in harmony with the sun. This clock works with light-sensitive genes to control movement, syncing the plant's actions with the day-night cycle. As the sun rises, special cells in the stem detect the changing light, sending signals that trigger growth on one side of the plant. During the day, sunlight triggers growth on the shaded side of the stem, bending the flower toward the light. This process, called heliotropism, allows the sunflower to maximize the amount of sunlight it absorbs, which is crucial for photosynthesis and healthy growth. At night, when the sun disappears, the internal clock takes over, guiding the flower head back east in anticipation of sunrise. This nightly reset ensures that every morning, the sunflower is perfectly positioned to greet the first rays of light. Even in artificial light, sunflowers maintain this rhythm, proving the power of their internal clock. Scientists have observed that sunflowers kept indoors, away from natural sunlight, still move in a daily cycle, showing just how deeply this timing is programmed into their biology. Genes switch on and off throughout the day, orchestrating the smooth tracking motion. These genetic signals coordinate the plant's growth and movement, ensuring that every part of the sunflower works together in perfect harmony. This system lets sunflowers both react to and anticipate the sun's position. It's not just a passive response. Sunflowers are actively preparing for the next day, always one step ahead. It's a remarkable adaptation, allowing them to stay perfectly in sync with the planet's cycles. This ability gives sunflowers a competitive edge, helping them grow stronger and produce more seeds. The sunflower's internal clock is a masterful example of nature's timing. It's a blend of biology, chemistry, and environmental awareness, all working together to create one of the most iconic sights in nature. It ensures the plant is always ready for the sun's return, standing as a living testament to the wonders of evolution and the intricate dance between life and the environment. As sunflowers mature, their daily dance stops. They settle, all facing east. The stem becomes rigid to support the heavy flower head, losing its flexibility. The plant's focus shifts from growth to reproduction, attracting pollinators and developing seeds. Facing east gives mature sunflowers a key advantage. They warm up quickly in the morning sun. This warmth attracts pollinators like bees, which are more active when warm. East-facing flowers get more visits, leading to more and better seeds. Experiments show west-facing flowers attract fewer pollinators and produce fewer seeds. The sunflower's final orientation is a clever adaptation for reproductive success. Its life story is a journey from motion to stillness, each stage perfectly timed. The eastward gaze is the sunflower's last brilliant strategy. Humans have marveled at sunflowers for millennia. Native to North America, sunflowers were domesticated by indigenous peoples who valued their food, oil, and symbolism. European explorers were captivated by their sun-following behavior, spreading them worldwide. Artists and poets, from John Gerard to Vincent van Gogh, celebrated the sunflower's connection to light. Myths, like the Greek tale of Clytie and Helios, wove stories around their daily dance. For centuries, the mechanism behind their movement was a mystery, inspiring both wonder and speculation. Only with modern science did we uncover the roles of growth hormones and internal clocks. The sunflower's journey from myth to scientific marvel mirrors our own quest to understand nature. Its dance remains a celebrated example of adaptation and beauty. For mature sunflowers, facing east isn't just about energy, it's about attracting pollinators. The morning sun quickly warms the flower head, creating a cozy landing pad for bees and other insects. Warmth helps pollinators become active sooner, making the sunflower the morning's top destination. This mutual benefit means more visits for the flower and more food for the bee. East-facing sunflowers outcompete west-facing ones, drawing more pollinators and producing more seeds. The warmth may also help seeds develop faster and stronger. The sunflower's static posture is a multi-layered strategy, attracting pollinators and nurturing seeds. It's a brilliant use of the sun's energy for both reproduction and survival. The next generation of sunflowers gets the best possible start. The sunflower's final pose is a masterstroke of natural design. The sunflower's relationship with the sun is a story of adaptation and ingenuity. Its youthful dance and mature stillness are both strategies for survival and success. Heliotropism helps it outgrow competitors, while its eastward gaze ensures pollination and seed production. For humans, sunflowers are a vital crop, a source of food, oil, and inspiration. Their beauty and reliability stem from the very behaviors that make them fascinating. The next time you see a sunflower, remember its daily journey, a master of solar power and a symbol of optimism. Its silent dance links all life to the rhythms of the sun and earth. The sunflower turns to the light, offering beauty and sustenance to the world.